Today on Pier Runners, we're super excited because we just got our brand new suitcases from Level 8. We got a 28-inch and a 20-inch set. I'm super excited because these things are sexy as hell.
Yeah, and they're super functional. So we're doing an unboxing of these great suitcases and we're gonna show you all the great features that they come with.
All right, so let's start with the small one. I don't think this is
so excited.
It's not necessarily a two-person job, but
you have to hold the box while I pull.
Yeah, that makes sense. All right, we don't need this anymore.
Okay, it's a big reveal. You ready?
Even the wrapping's kind of quality.
Ooh.
It looks really sexy.
Yeah, it's really modern. I love the two colors, the black on the back and the yellow in the front. I think it makes it look super trendy and modern, and you can see it from far.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy to identify when it comes out on the conveyor belt, and I really like the whole sleek design of it. I'm gonna pull out the second one over here.
All right, so as you can see, this is a set of two. We decided to get the 20-inch and the
28-inch.
28-inch, and I think this is the perfect size when traveling. You have the small carry-on and you have the bigger one that you can check in if you need to bring a lot more clothes or if you're traveling with the family.
I love how wide these bars and how sturdy they are.
Well, that's what they're known for, right? To have like these really wide handlebars. Unlike the other suitcases that have very slim handles, this one is nice and large, super easy to roll and to grip. As you can see, the wheels are so smooth on this. Look at that.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Wow. Yeah, so it has 4 wheels, so you can push this in any direction, which is really nice. Oh, and I heard another feature. Check it out. Because it has the wide handles, it doesn't tip over easily. You know how our suitcases always want to tip?
Yeah, they engineered it so that the center of gravity was kind of like on a wider base.
Exactly.
So it doesn't flip
And
over
it's
as
super
easily.
comfortable to look. You can lean on it.
It feels really
if you're
sturdy.
waiting.
I see people in the ads sitting on these bad boys.
Yeah.
Is that something you can do?
Look at that.
All right, move out. I want to try that with a big
You're excited?
All right, spin me. Let's do it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Why don't you just spin yourself?
Come on, I want assistance.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
John's having way too much fun with this.
This is really cool.
So as you can see, these are really made super strong. It has a handle here at the top, and it has a handle here on the side. And I think yours has an extra handle. Check out the handle right in front.
Extra handles.
Yeah, so you see that black? That's a handle.
You don't have that?
Not on the small one, you don't need it.
Very cool.
Yeah, because it's a trunk suitcase, so you can actually carry it like a trunk.
Oh yeah, I get it, cool. One of the first features we noticed when we unboxed this luggage was the TSA lock right here. Once you have the combination, you can unlock your stuff, and when you want to keep it secure, you can easily lock it back up again.
Another cool feature is that it has these little feet on the bottom of the suitcase so that your suitcase, when it's lying on the ground, won't get dirty or scuffed. And you have the same thing on the side. And the zippers on this are super great quality. As you can see, they run super smoothly and don't catch anywhere because they're a high quality zipper.
You have the 2 main compartments here for your clothes. You even have a waterproof pouch to put wet things like bathing suits if you need to travel in a jiffy.
Okay, so let's open this side of the suitcase. So as you can see, a very deep pocket here to put all your clothes in. And you have this zipper at the top to hold your stuff down. And then on the other side, if we open this one up, the great part about this luggage, because of those wide handles, you don't have the 2 bars that take up so much room in other suitcases. So as you can see, tons of room here to store all your clothes and all your accessories.
And the large suitcase is much the same as the smaller one, except its locking mechanism is right here on the side.
As you can see, there's 2 sides to this suitcase also. A pretty deep compartment on this side, perfect for your clothes, your accessories. And then on this side, you do have a wet pouch again, perfect for wet bathing suits, but you can also put all your toiletries in here because that way, if they leak, they won't soil the rest of your clothes. And you do have another zipper here at the top for socks, undergarments, and stuff like that. So let's open this side. First off, you do have this strap to hold down down all your clothes, but check how deep the compartment is on this side. You have a lot of room, and like we said before, the best feature about this suitcase is that because the bars are wide, they're on the outskirts of the compartment, so they're not right in the middle here, so they don't take up that precious room that you need for clothing.
So the unboxing was just part of the equation. As fun as it was, the real fun is gonna start when we pack this for our next cruise.
Yeah, and I'm actually gonna be packing a carry-on for my 7-day cruise coming up, so be sure to check that video. I'll put the link right up here and in the description box down below.
And if you like content like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.
Thanks for watching, guys. Happy cruising. Bye.